Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to duplicate your recurring bills in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then you can go to your all apps here to open all of your available apps and you can go to expense and bills and click bills. After that, you will be in this page. You can see your for review bills, your unpaid bills, your paid bills, and your recurring bills. So let's say you want to duplicate your recurring bills template. You can just click this drop down and then click manage recurring bills. And then you will see all of your recurring transaction template. So in my case, I only have two templates here. So let's say I want to duplicate this template, telephone bill. You can just click this drop down. And as you can see, there is option to duplicate. You can click on it. Then you can change the name, maybe telephone bills or maybe uh, cellular bills. It's up to you, and you can change the type. Maybe reminder, unscheduled, schedule. It's up to you, and you can remind or not in 2 days and 3 days. It's up to you. You can, change everything here, and also the details. Maybe you want to add new category or change the category. You can also add the memo and add new attachment. After all right, you can just click save template and it will be duplicated and there will be new template here as you can see. And yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.